This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable catering containers, specifically these Pulp catering containers and lids. They have a 17-ounce capacity, and they come in either single, 2, or 3 compartment styles. And you have both the natural and white available, along with several lid options that can be purchased separately. So we have a clear plastic, white, and also the natural lid available as well. They're made from compressed, repurposed sugarcane, and they're 100% commercially compostable and biodegradable. These bagasse containers are perfect for serving meals, for a neat and attractive presentation, especially when you need to keep things divided, like maybe some sauces, salsas, some chips and dip, or something of that nature. They're an eco-friendly alternative to traditional foam trays or food boxes. They're ideal for serving warm meals as they're naturally grease resistant. These containers are safe for use in both the microwave and freezer, making them great for reheating, but also for food storage. They're a fantastic option for caterers making prepared meals, cafeterias, and for using for freezer storage of prepared meals at home.